Hello everyone, this is Meredith from Eat Stretch Explore. Today I have another unboxing video for you. This time it is two FabFitFun boxes, as you can obviously see. I'm not entirely sure what's in one of the boxes, but I'm pretty sure I know what it is. And the second is something I ordered off one of the multitude of sales that I've already screen recorded. So I'll open them both on camera for you right now. Apologies in advance if you hear some leaf blowing. Apparently it's National Do Your Yard Work Day. I'm guessing it's because the snow finally melted, but sorry in advance. Okay, so I had to set them down because my arms are a little bit weak and they were kind of getting heavy, even though there's like nothing in them. But I will open them on camera right now for you. So here we have the first box. I just opened it a little bit, and it looks like, again, there's a lot of packing material. So I'm a little bit sad about this just because it's so much waste. Because I know if this is my market order, I only ordered one item off of that sale. So let's just see. So there's this packing material and this craft paper and then the packing slip. Okay, so this is actually not my market order. So I'll explain what happened here. So these are actually two items that were for the fall 2020 Members Picks box that I unboxed on this channel. So what happened was I actually just emailed customer service. Or actually I did like a customer service chat, and I had asked them like how often will I receive repeats, because as I mentioned in that video, I received two items that I had already received in my one and only other FabFitFun box. So basically I just emailed them and just was like wondering. And they actually said that they would just send me two new items just because it was their mistake. I shouldn't have received any repeats. So if that's something that happens to you in the future, you might want to just reach out to customer service and ask. I was legitimately just wondering like if I should never ever buy any hand soap or makeup erasers again in the future. They were gracious enough to send me these two items. So the first item here is the Way 2-in-1 Purify and Glow Mask Collection. So this is actually something that I really wanted to receive in my winter 2019 box, but it was already sold out, I believe. So I didn't pick it up. And then when I did my Members Picks box, I wanted to, and I went in with the intention of buying this, or choosing this rather, but then I changed my mind at the last minute to that perfume oil, which actually really wasn't my style. So I was very happy and that they graciously offered to send this to me as a apology. So let me open it. Okay, so let me open it for you. So there are 8 different masks, and it comes with a mask brush. So actually I was just going to buy a mask brush from I think Ulta. So I'm happy to see this in here because it'll save me some money. So it looks like on the top here there are 4 purifying mud masks with golden root, and then 4 Ready Glow exfoliating masks made with brown sugar. So I'm very excited to try these out. And I'll let you know how they are. So let me see if I can find the information. Okay, so it says gently apply the brown sugar Ready Glow exfoliating mask on a wet, clean face, avoiding eye area. In 3 to 5 minutes, wet both hands and massage face in upward swirling motion until sugar melts. Rinse clean with warm water and pat dry. And the second says leave golden root purifying mud mask on clean skin for 10 minutes, avoiding eye area. Rinse with warm water and pat dry. For spot treatment, apply exclusively to the spot and leave on overnight. Rinse off in the morning. It says that the brown sugar Ready Glow exfoliating mask gently exfoliates and brightens the skin for a flawless, radiant complexion, leaving skin as soft as a rose petal. The second says a cult favorite golden root purifying mud mask deeply cleanses and detoxifies skin, removes impurities, and minimizes the appearance of pores and imperfections for an even, flawless complexion, intended for all skin types. And it says these are in perfect pods for travel or trial. The special collection features best-selling Way masks for detoxifying, purifying, and brightening benefits to achieve youthful and healthy skin. So I'll try to get this into focus for you so you can see the ingredients. So I hope this is in focus for you, but these are the ingredients. It appears not to have any synthetic fragrances in it, but I will let you know if they are scented or not. It seems like the golden root purifying mud mask may have some various extracts of roots, leaves, and flowers, so it probably will have a slight scent, but it doesn't look like there is any added fragrances. So the second item, it was also from the winter 2019, but when I made my selections, they were sold out. But like now that I received this now in 2020, I'm wondering how sold out they really were, because I wasn't able to select these because I definitely would have in my winter 2019 box. But now I'm like a little bit suspicious because they sent this to me as a mix-up like a year later. I don't know, it just seems like a little bit strange to me that they suddenly are able to find these. And also this was a choice item in the fall 2020 members fix box, so like I could have chosen this when I made my selections. So it's like either they got a lot more of these slippers, like maybe they like intended to put it as a returning member favorite or something, or else they were truly not sold out when I made my selections last year. Anyway, I chose to receive these as my apology from them. It's the PJ Salvage cable knit slippers here. I got them in the size small medium, but as I mentioned in my other video, I have very small feet, like size 4.5 in women's, maybe a 4. So when I saw that they had like a 2 size options, I wasn't really sure if they would fit, so that's why I didn't choose it. I also saw the reviews online saying that they were nice, but then they kind of wore out really quickly. So this is what they look like. They're very fuzzy on the inside, but this is definitely faux fur. It feels kind of like a teddy bear, and then the cable knit here is kind of like a tightly knit sort of cable knit. And then the bottoms do have some kind of grips on the bottom, but they're not super well treaded, so I don't know how slippery they would be, if that makes sense. But I am very happy to have these because we are going into winter now, and I will definitely be wearing them as I go about my business. So that was the contents of the first box. So now I'm going to open the second box. So again, here we are with all of this packing for this very tiny item. So let me pull it out. And then this is like literally how much stuff is in there. My packing slip and my one very small item I purchased. So the second item I received is something I purchased. So while I've been taking breaks at work, or like during my workday, I like to refresh with some facial mist. I'm using the Evian one right now, and I'm almost out of it. I was sent it for review for my blog, and I do like it, but I just wanted to change it up a bit. So when I saw this particular item on the sale, I decided to pick it up. It is the Pure Heals by Nature Village Propolis 50 Volume Mist. So I think this is a Korean brand. Yeah, so it is Korean. And let me see what it says here. So it says on here that it's moisturizing and nourishing with 50% propolis extract. This hydrating face mist moisturizes while also smoothing, calming, and smoothing the skin. So let me see what else it says. It doesn't have very much English on here, so I'll struggle with the Korean for you. So I apologize in advance. It says here that the ingredients, or like the active ingredients, are niacinamide and adenosine. And then it says that the uses are for 피부의 미백에 도움을 준다. So it helps with brightening or whitening the skin. And then it says 피부의 주름 개선에 도움을 준다. So it says that it's good for like starting to reduce or like lessen your wrinkles. So oddly enough, there's also some English in here. It says how to use. Shake the facial mist up before use as it is an oil and liquid formula. Close your eyes and spray the mist onto your face and tap lightly with fingers for full absorption. So it doesn't have any information about how far away to hold it. Let's see what else it says. And then it also says that is a shaking type sort of balancing mist. So that's all the information that's really on here that's not really conveyed in the very brief English. So let me pull it out of the package. So this is what it looks like. So it is like a nice honey color, kind of yellow, I guess, like it said. And you can see here when I tilt it a little bit, there is a little bit of oil on here, like maybe that much. So I guess that's probably why you need to shake it up. So when I shake it up, this is what it looks like, and you can see that the oil does disperse throughout there. So let me do a quick sample for you. So I did shake it up some more, so you can see it's really dispersing in there. Let me try to spray it for you to see if you can see it. I don't know if you will be able to. So it is like kind of a light mist, but it's not like a super fine mist. Let me try it on my skin to see how far away to spray it. Yeah, so I would say maybe like 4 or 5 inches, and it does feel quite light. It has a slight scent. It's kind of like a sweet-ish scent, but it's not like cloyingly sweet. But I will put this down by my office desk and I'll use it to refresh myself and throughout the day. And then I'll let you know how I feel about it, maybe in my winter unboxing. So that was everything I received in those 2 boxes. So I received those PJ Salvage cable knit slippers in small medium, and I received the Way 2-in-1 mask set, and I also received the, what is it called? The Pure Heals by Nature Village Propolis 50 Volume Mist. So if you've tried any of those products in the past, just let me know what your opinions are, because I mean, I'm very interested in learning from everybody else. It's kind of like crowdsourcing. And if you're interested in videos like this in the future, feel free to subscribe to this channel, because I'll just kind of open my mail, because I think it's kind of fun to open my mail with like a few of my closest friends watching and share my first opinions. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and enjoy the rest of your week. Goodbye.